नमस्कार. आला रे आला आपला लाडक्या गणपती आला. गणपतीचे देणगी आणि अमृता समान असलेल्या मराठी भाषेतून शुभेच्छा संदेश देऊन गणेशोत्सवाचा आनंद द्विगुणित करूया. सध्याच्या कोरोना स्थितीमुळे सगळ्यांना भेटणे, घरच्या बापाचे दर्शन घेणे शक्य होईलच असे नाही, पण सोशल मीडियाच्या माध्यमातून आपण आपली ही इच्छाही पूर्ण करू शकतो. This year our theme for the Ganpati decoration is sky, as we have kids at home. All these materials as displayed on the screen were readily available at home. I purchased only glue and color sheets, which you won't believe has not even costed me ₹100. We have created a frame and have stapled sunflower petals. I have secured the base by stapling it. This will create a vibrant background. To give this a neat finishing, I have covered it with a colorful green gift wrapping paper. Now we will prepare the base. As the Ganesh idol is heavy, we will secure it with books. The base is done. This is how the Singhasan will look. Isn't it beautiful and easy? We will wrap it with red gift wrapping paper and place the sunflower frame at the back. Now moving on to the next items, I have prepared sun and 2 trees. We have also given features to the sun with eyes, nose, a smiling sun with an outlining frame. We have also done a rainbow so that my kids get acquainted with the 7 colors of the rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Also placed an aeroplane and kites. Now the sky is incomplete without a smiling cloud. We have also prepared raindrops by cutting out small dewdrop shaped paper and tickly that we have stuck on a thread that's hanging right beneath the cloud frame. It looks like actual raindrops. And that is our lighting. We've also given a village look right beneath the 2 trees that we had made, with bullock carts, little cars, small statues, birds. It looks beautiful. The celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi also denotes the significance of the cycle of birth, life, and death. Ganesha, who is also known as the Lord of New Beginnings, is also worshipped as the remover of obstacles. Hence, we call him the Vignaharta. It is believed that when the idol of the Ganesha is taken out for immersion, it also takes away with it the various obstacles of the house, and these obstacles are destroyed along with the Visarjan. Every year, people wait with great anticipation to celebrate the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi. भाद्रपद शुक्ल चतुर्थी पासून अनंत चतुर्दशी पर्यंत महाराष्ट्रात गणेश उत्सव साजरा होत असता. आपणास ठाऊक आहे का, आपली मराठी शास्त्रशुद्ध भाषा गणपतीनेच आपल्याला दिली आहे. आपल्या बारखडीत गणपतीने आपले नाव दडवून ठेवले आहे. याचे कारण संपूर्ण बारखडीमध्ये केवळ ग, न, श या अक्षरांना आपल्याला वेगळा काना लावला लागतो असे जाणकारांचे मत आहे आणि ते पटण्यासारखं आहे. Now on the floor we have cleaned it and painted a beautiful alpona. You can also see a Ganpati design that's made on it. We have offered bhog to Ganesh ji, Riddhi Siddhi and Gopal ji. All of this was done on Ganesh Ashtami. You might have noticed in our previous videos that we have 3 Gopaljis at home. We will also light a diya in front of the Lord. The items that were prepared for the bhog is listed and displayed on the screen. My kids can't just wait to have it. In Maharashtra, Ganesh Chaturthi is known as Ganesh Utsav. Families install small clay statues for worship during the festival. The Murti is worshipped in the morning and evening with offerings of flowers, durva, that is strands of young grass, karanji and modaks, that is jaggery and coconut flakes wrapped in rice flour dumplings. The worship ends with the singing of an aarti in honor of Ganesha, other gods and saints. हे गणराया, संपूर्ण भारत देशात आलेल्या कोरोनासारखा भयानक रोगापासून संपूर्ण देशाला मुक्त कर, हीच तुझ्या चरणी प्रार्थना. May Lord Ganesha bestow his blessings on all of us. Jai Shri Ganesh. धन्यवाद.